Okay, so hi everyone. My friend wanted me to do an inventory check because she wants to see my inventory. Yeah, so this is my first. She wants to see it really bad. And by the way, we have the same outfit. Okay, so I have all the colors of the candy cane socks.
Should we just wait for the door? Okay. Let's go to my den.
I have all the earmuffs. Oh, let's go to it. Okay, so let's continue with the inventory check. So we already went through this part. Oh, can you record and you do an inventory check? And this is my Phoenix armor. I have the set. I also have fox hats. I have an extra pair of the candy cane socks. And if you want this extra pair, comment your username. Because I don't want it. I have all the colors. And wear gloves and clothing betas. Verse. Yeah, some of them. And then all of this. I like this. Princess dress. I'm just gonna keep scrolling. I have 609 clothing items. And I have 600 or 500 or 700 den items. Because they're all store-bought.
Den betas.
No!
I'm like, what?
I'm not that rare. Hold on, can I access my den items? How much? I just want to see how much I have. I don't know if you can do that. So, we're like over here some-ish. Okay, so we landed off right here. And then, my inventory is really trash. I have all the colors of the Cupid wings. I like this one. I forgot I had this polar bear hat. I don't even know how much they're worth. And by the way, I have all the colors of the cheese hat. I could be a cheese hat tiger. I don't have the same color of the cheese head tiger. Oh, my inventory is so trash. Oh, I need to recycle some stuff. I'm not even close to finishing. I'm only halfway. I need to recycle those. This is so long.
I'ma do a video.
Okay, you do whatever you want to do. Oh, I have all the colors of the cat ears. I have 2 sets of the ibex horn colors. All the colors of the racing jackets. A pizza hat. Unicorn glove, mega glove 3000, astronaut helmet, I don't know. I have almost all the starter stuff of the animal jam. I don't even know why I grabbed from the hat extravaganza. I grabbed every type and color of the top hat as fast as I could. Cause they were so rare. And I am done. Finally, I went through 609 items just to get to the end.
You didn't show all of them one by one?
No. I just scrolled to my image. Do I have to go to den items now? Oh my god. Okay. Let's go through a den item. So I have this princess chair and spring basket on trade. And let's go through all of, you know, I want to see how much I have, so I'm gonna go to my den. Okay. Let's see how much den items I have. We're 649 den items.
Okay,
Hi. I have over 1,200 items in my account. Okay, so let's go through my... Oh my god, I bought so many beach balls. I want to see you do an inventory check, because I'm doing one.
I have like 10 items.
10 items? Yeah, I doubt it. Oh my god, I have like so much trash in my inventory. She wishes she has my inventory.
Yeah, I do because you have extra items.
No, I don't. I played Animal Jam for only 4 years. How am I so rare? I only have one red long. I used to have a black one, but then I got traded away. I only played this game for 3 to 4 years. I don't even know where this came from. This big, giant ball of yarn. Yeah, the fragmentation. I have an online safety plaque. I'm gonna put it over here on top. Let's see if I have, oh yep, right here. Okay, let's keep going. Let's go, Bobby. Ooh, I like this, but I have some, how did I, oh my god, I don't even know where half of this stuff came from. I got a diamond cloud. Oh, I remember this from the spring maze, I think. I got all of these items. I wish I'm almost done with my inventory. I'm done with my inventory. Okay. It only took 8 minutes and 20 seconds.
I took more. Unicorn.
Okay, so let's do some trading while she goes through her whole inventory. That was in stores.
Ferocious feline collar, light mohawks, and a light glove, a top hat, a disgrace color, a bracelet. I have a right friendship necklace for my other best friend, a stash, or a holiday sweater.
You know, you can just scroll through it. You don't have to name the items. How much items do you have in your inventory?
So that was my ugly inventory. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
What about the 10 items?
No.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay. Bye. I guess we're not doing trade attempts for my list, but okay. Bye.